You're not going to believe this. A brand new YouTube channel just 15 days old already has 143,000 subscribers and over 79 million views. And guess what? I'm about to show you exactly how to create videos just like that, for free. Here's how it started. I was casually scrolling through YouTube Shorts for about 15 minutes when I accidentally came across a channel with 59 videos. One video stood out. It had 45 million views. Instantly, I got curious. What's in the videos? Just a gorgeous woman on stage singing with a guitar. That's it. Each clip is about 15 to 20 seconds long. It's the perfect combo. Eye-catching visuals plus catchy music. Now you might be wondering, wait, is it hard to make something like that? Not at all. In fact, everything they're doing is powered by AI. No crazy skills required, no editing nightmares. Stick around. I'm going to break it all down for you, step by step.
Step 1. Create the lyrics. Okay, first things first, let's talk music. You're probably wondering, do I need to be some kind of songwriter to make this work? Good news, absolutely not. Songwriting can feel overwhelming, but that's exactly why we use AI. ChatGPT makes it ridiculously simple. Just grab a trending song on YouTube for inspiration. Here's one I found, and paste this prompt into ChatGPT. Boom, you've got a fresh set of lyrics ready to go. Pretty cool, right? We'll use these for our demo. So now that we've got lyrics in hand, let's move to the next step. But before proceeding to the tutorial, if you've been dreaming about launching your own faceless YouTube channel but don't know where to start, this is your moment. I've created the YouTube automation blueprint that shows you exactly how to go from $0 to $10,000 a month without showing your face, using your voice, or spending countless hours stuck editing. This isn't just another generic guide. Inside, I break down the exact system I use, step by step. How to find high-paying, untapped niches. The script formula that actually retains viewers, my secret workflow to automate videos without losing quality, and even the tools I use to create cinematic visuals and emotional voiceovers without ever recording a single word. Best part? It's just $20. One-time payment, lifetime-owned products. So if you're serious about building a profitable, low-effort YouTube channel in a timeless niche like AI niches, explainer video, or wisdom storytelling, click the link in the description, grab the blueprint. Step 2. Generate the music. All right, lyrics. Check. Now let's turn them into actual music. When people think of AI music, Suno is usually the first name that pops up. And for good reason. It's powerful and easy to use. Don't worry, I'll also show you some other tools later. So, hop into Suno. On the left, click Create. Then paste in the lyrics we just made with ChatGPT. Now you'll need a style prompt. If you're not sure what to type, just ask ChatGPT for one. Just follow what I type here. Give me a Suno styles prompt under 20. Copy and paste the music title that you already chose from your music video. If everything is okay, just hit generate. Then head back to Suno to paste the prompt that ChatGPT generated. Make sure you place it in the Styles section. After you've placed it, click Create. Then wait for Suno to generate the music. Pretty good, right? By the way, if you're planning to really dive into this niche, I recommend upgrading to Suno Pro. It's budget-friendly and helps you steer clear of copyright headaches later on. Want an alternative? Try FlexClip. It's an all-in-one platform loaded with AI tools. There's a free trial, but Going Plus gives you more power. Click into the AI music generator. Upload a reference track and a voice. Use theirs or record your own. You can also generate a 20 to 30 second voice with 11 Labs if you want. Then just paste in your lyrics and hit generate. Boom, music equals done. Now let's bring it to life visually. Step 3, create the visuals. Now, let's give it some eye candy. Yep, it's time to create the visuals. And guess what? ChatGPT's got your back again. Good news, I've already done the heavy lifting for you. I've prepared a full list of image prompts ready to go. Just join my On Telegram channel and grab the docs file. Copy any prompt you like, paste it into GPT if you want more variations, and you're all set to generate amazing visuals. Now, for the tools, there are plenty, but today, we'll keep it simple and use Dreamina AI. It's super beginner-friendly and totally free. Go ahead and click Launch App. Then set the model to Pixel Art V1. Make sure your image ratio is set to 9:16. Perfect for shorts. Paste in your prompt from ChatGPT, hit Generate. Just like that, we've got the perfect image to go with our music. Step 4. Sync image with audio. Lip sync. Okay, this is the part where the magic really happens. It's time to bring your image to life, lip syncing it perfectly with your song. Now, you might be thinking, Step 1, turn the image into video. Step 2, sync the lips manually. But nope, that's the old way. The method I'm about to show you does both in one single step. No editing skills required. And best of all, it's 100% free. You've got 2 awesome tools to choose from. First up, Dreamina AI. They've recently upgraded the platform, and it's seriously powerful now. You even get 120 free credits every day, which is super generous. Here's what you do. Click Lip Sync, choose Master Mode, or choose Fast, depending on what you want. But I prefer Fast for this tutorial. Upload your image, then find your audio music that you generated on Suno. Quick tip before uploading. Use CapCut to trim your Suno audio to 15 seconds. Dreamina currently supports only up to 15-second videos. Then upload your audio. Now hit Generate and boom, it's done. Second option, NIM. This one's also packed with useful tools and gives you free credits too. Here's the flow. Click Create, head to AI Tools, Lip Sync, upload your image and your trimmed audio. Click Generate, and you're done again.
Midnight smile on your sideways gaze. I knew right then you were trouble wrapped in charm. Kiss like chaos holding me in your arms. Oh, I should've known, but I dove too deep. Then met you in the middle of the downtown haze. Midnight smile on your sideways gaze.
Step 5. Final edits and enhancements. All right, now that your video is done, we're on to one last, optional but super helpful step. Let's make it look even better. I highly recommend upscaling the quality for a sharper, cleaner finish. It really makes a difference. After that, we'll hop into CapCut for a few simple edits. Don't worry, nothing fancy or complicated. Just some finishing touches to give your video that extra edge. Think lyrics, filters, maybe a few fun effects. So, go ahead and open CapCut. Import your video and drag it to the timeline. Once that's done, head over to the captions section. Find the Auto Lyrics button and click it. CapCut will take care of generating the lyrics for you. Once that's done, head over to the captions section, find the Auto Lyrics button, and click it. CapCut will take care of generating the lyrics for you. Next, let's grab a cheering sound effect for the intro. This is a great way to hook viewers within the first 3 to 5 seconds. Just trim that cheering clip down to about 3 seconds and place it right at the start. Don't forget to add a fade out so it blends naturally into the video.
Downtown haze, midnight smile on your sideways gaze. In the middle of the downtown haze, midnight smile on your sideways gaze. I knew right then you.
Now, let's deal with that watermark at the bottom of your video. Super simple fix. Take the image you exported earlier from PLM, drag it into your timeline, and place it above your video layer. Then, click on Mask, and stretch that image out all the way to match the full length of your video. Once that's done, hit Add Mask, select the rectangle shape, and position it over the watermark area. Boom! Your video now looks like a premium edit. Just one more step here. Select both the image layer and your video layer. Then click Create Compound Clip. That merges everything into one clean video clip. Next, let's stylize the lyrics. I usually go for something that matches the vibe of the song and the background. For this video, I used the Helvetica font, added some shadow effects, and played around with color combinations. When it comes to animations, I honestly stumbled across a great one by accident. Just scroll back a bit in the template section and you'll spot it. No clue what it's called, but it works really well.
The downtown hate and charm is the chaos holding me in your arms. I should've known, but I dove too deep.
Now, time to add a title for the music. Just watch how I style the title font. I added a glow effect and chose an animation from the font animation templates.
Just the chaos holding me in your arms. You were trouble wrapped in charm. Just the chaos holding me in your arms. I should've known, but I dove too deep. Haze in that in the middle of the downtown haze, in that smile on your sideways gaze. I knew right then you were trouble wrapped in charm. Just the chaos holding.
And for the final touch, let's throw in a cool effect. Search for the disco ball effect. Drag it into your timeline and stretch it out to cover the whole video. And that's it. We're done. Time to export. Just give your video a name, set the resolution to 2K, select 60 frames per second for smooth playback, and hit that export button. And now, here's the final result samples that I've already made.
In the middle of the downtown haze, in that smile on your sideways gaze. I knew right then you were trouble wrapped in charm. Just the chaos holding me in your arms. I should've known, but I dove too deep.
Alright friends, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It really keeps me motivated to keep making more tutorials like this one. I drop fresh niche ideas and YouTube tips every week, so swing by often. You never know what might spark your next big idea. Thanks a ton for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Good luck.